Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at synonyms and antonyms. So, let's get started. Synonym. A synonym is a word that means exactly the same as or very nearly the same as another word in the same language. For example, close is a synonym of shut. Here are some more examples of synonyms. Synonyms, part of speech. Close, shut. Part of speech, it is a verb. Blow up, explode. It's also a verb. Blow up, inflate, verb. Shallow, superficial, adjective. Eager, earnest, keen, adjective. Spontaneous, impronto, unplanned, adjective. You can find synonyms in a synonym dictionary or thesaurus. Antonym. An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. For example, bad is an antonym of good. Here are some more examples. Prefix, antonyms, part of speech. Antonym good, bad, adjective. Small, big, adjective. Easy, hard, or difficult, it's an adjective. Soft, hard, adjective. Male, female, adjective, noun. Up, down, prepositional adverb. Go, come, it's a verb. Prefix, antonyms, part of speech. Made by adding prefix un or un. Able becomes unable, part of speech, adjective. Selfish, unselfish, adjective. Do, undo, verb. Made by adding prefix in. Decent, indecent, adjective. Tolerant, intolerant, adjective. Human, inhuman, adjective. Made by adding prefix non. Conformist, non-conformist, adjective, noun. Essential, non-essential, adjective, noun. Sense, nonsense, noun. You can find antonyms in an antonym dictionary. So there you go guys, that's the end of this video about synonyms and antonyms. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.